If you're thinking of purchasing an electric bike, you're probably wondering what to look for. You're probably confused by the vast array of models. So what makes a great e-bike? You'll want one that can deliver power, range, and a comfortable ride. In this video, we'll look at the different factors that affect these attributes. Here is a great unit on Amazon you should consider. This unit comes with various features, so make sure to read the reviews to see if it fits your needs.
Your browser does not support HTML5 video. When I saw this bike, I felt like this was what I wanted, and it didn't disappoint me. Compared to my friend's electric bike of the same specification, I think the price is really good. My husband rides his VIVI bike to work instead of driving, and he thoroughly loves it. We go riding every weekend. I got myself the same but in a different color. He is always saying, these bikes were an amazing find. They are so much fun. We are out of the house more than we ever were, even in hot weather, because we have enough speed to keep us cool. We turn on the motor on VIVI when we get tired. Both of us hadn't ridden bikes in over 20 years, and now we ride every day. We have done minimal customizations such as adding a rack, bike bags, and hitch for a bike trailer so our little dog can go with us. Our bikes have improved our quality of life, and we're seeing parts of our city that we didn't know existed. If you're not sure about buying a VIVI, do so. I bought this bike to use as a commuter bike to get to and from work. I work about 2 miles from home and ride through a mix of street and campus, with some hills. Sometimes I am carrying a heavy load, and it is nice to be able to have some assistance. It is also good for days that I am in a rush and want to get from point A to point B quickly. I chose this style of e-bike because I do enjoy bike riding on its own, and this style is most like riding a regular mountain bike, when I choose to not use the assistance. My previous bike, before it was stolen, was a mountain bike. When I saw that this e-bike is foldable, that had great appeal to me. With this bike, I am able to fold it up and keep it in my small office at work. It is a little heavy at 64 pounds, but manageable for me to carry. Alternately, one can walk the bike to where you plan to store it and then fold it up so that it takes up less space. I did wonder if the additional weight would make pedaling more challenging, but I did not notice any difference from my previous bike. In general, riding it is smooth and enjoyable. It has 21 gears, and good quality Shimano gears, which gives a wide range of pedaling resistance to choose from. The only difference I notice from the weight, once I get up to speed, is that it does have more inertia. I just have to be aware to give a bit more distance for braking. It does have the feature of disc brakes, rather than calipers, on both the front and rear wheels, offering excellent braking power. As I mentioned, I use this bike as a commuter to and from work. I am riding it about 2 miles in each direction, for a total of about 4 miles per day. I only seem to use about 20% of the battery doing so. Mostly, I am riding it in assisted mode, which means I pedal and the motor provides a speed boost when I slow down going up hills, etc. This gives me longest battery life. I have not come close to using the full capacity of the battery yet since I charge it daily. It will draw more power if you use the throttle on the handlebar alone, instead of pedaling. I estimate that at maximum speed, using the full 350W of the motor, it should draw 350W/36V equals 9.7A from the battery and give a battery life of 9.7A/8 equals 1.2 hours or about 75 minutes of ride time. That is on full speed. A note about speed that I want to make. I did a speed check, using my Garmin tracker, and found the speed to be approximately 15 miles per hour on the highest assist level, 12 miles per hour on medium and 7 miles per hour on low. Click the link in description for more reviews.